Hi, my name is Zé and I'm from Portugal, and I'm gonna try to show you a creative use of a compressor. For that I'm gonna use a piece of music that I made myself, so I'll show it to you. As you can see, there are some transients who are really high at the beginning of the bars, and also there are some sounds that are a little bit more with less volume. So I'll try to use the compressor to correct that. I've set the attack on 0 because I want to affect the I set the attack on 0 because I want to affect the transients, and I put my threshold at around -20. So let's see how it works. As you can see, you can notice that the transients are not so high. I can even try increasing ratio. And the overall sound is more leveled. So I think it gave a good help on this piece. Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you give me a good grade as well. So see you next time.